Welcome back to MotorMinds, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews. Today we're diving into the new 2025 Dodge Durango, a powerhouse SUV that blends performance, technology, and practicality into a sleek, bold package. If you're a fan of American muscle, but need the space of an SUV, the Durango is the perfect blend of both worlds. The 2025 Durango comes with several engine options, catering to a wide variety of drivers. You can start with the standard 3.6-liter V6, producing a solid 295 horsepower. If you're looking for more power, the 5.7-liter HEMI V8 is a great choice, generating 360 horsepower. For those who crave maximum performance, there's the mind-blowing 6.4-liter HEMI V8 in the SRT 392 trim, delivering a staggering 475 horsepower. This is one of the fastest and most powerful SUVs in its class, perfect for anyone who enjoys high-speed drives or needs extra power for towing and hauling. Speaking of towing, the 2025 Durango continues to shine with its impressive towing capacity. With the V8 models, you can tow up to 8,700 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks like hauling trailers, boats, or larger recreational vehicles. The all-wheel drive option adds extra stability and control, ensuring you're prepared for various road conditions, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling more rugged terrain. Inside, the 2025 Durango offers a comfortable and tech-filled cabin. The seating is spacious with enough room for up to 7 passengers. The materials feel premium, with available leather upholstery and heated and ventilated front seats. The infotainment system is Dodge's Uconnect 5, displayed on a large 10.1-inch touchscreen. It features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration, so staying connected on the road is easier than ever. The available premium sound system by Harman Kardon elevates your driving experience with crisp, powerful audio. In terms of safety, Dodge has equipped the new Durango with a range of advanced safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. Parking is made easier with front and rear parking sensors, as well as a rear-view camera. The SUV is designed to provide peace of mind while driving, whether you're navigating city streets or taking longer road trips with your family. As for the design, the 2025 Durango continues with its muscular, aggressive look. The front grille is bold and wide, with the signature LED headlights giving it a striking presence on the road. The rear design is equally impressive, with a sleek taillight bar that stretches across the entire width of the vehicle, adding to its sporty appeal. You can also opt for larger wheels, up to 20 inches, which further enhance its rugged stance. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Durango starts at around $40,000 for the base SXT model with the V6 engine, but if you're looking at the top-tier SRT 392 with the 6.4-liter HEMI, prices can climb to over $70,000. With all the available features and customization options, there's a Durango for nearly every type of driver, from the daily commuter to the weekend adventurer. Thanks for watching MotorMinds, where we bring you the most detailed car reviews to help you make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about the 2025 Dodge Durango. Stay tuned for more exciting car reviews right here on MotorMinds.